Bumbo. Lefan, you make use today.
You feel like your camera gets foggy. Camera gets foggy. I'll be using rosemary and orange peel and boil the water to add onto the black soap.
So guys, this is the rosemary leaf with the orange peel and the water boiling.
So guys, I will be cutting off like this amount of soap, and it's kind of easy to cut. It's like cutting a piece of bun. Guys, I love a good latte, so I choose to use this amount. If you don't like a lot of latte, you can use less. So I'm just going to cut it up into smaller pieces, so it makes the process easier to the soap melts faster. Then I am going to grate it. Makes it way easier, guys. This is what it's looking like. Way easier for the soap to melt.
Hold me close till I get up.
Alright, so now I've grated the black soap. And now I'm just going to put it into the mason jar.
Time is barely on our side. I don't want to waste what's left.
So now we're pouring in the orange peel with the rosemary.
Bumbo. Lefan, you make use today.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is
There we go, guys. Now I'm going to mix it around.
all we'll ever trust.
I'm gonna mix it around a few times, and don't worry, guys, it's going to dissolve. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon, because you can use it like this after it fully melts, but African black soap can be a little drying, so I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil, one of my absolute favorite oils. I'm going to use some SESA oil, and so like a tablespoon of SESA oil. Then, who remembers this? I did a review for this company. I'll be using the rest of my curly lock hair growth serum, so I'll be using like a tablespoon, guys. And we're going to swirl it around somewhere, and then we are going to cover it and leave it to work its magic to dissolve. It might take a little time, guys, so you want to be very patient. So guys, I put it in this applicator bottle, and this just makes it easier for you to apply it to your hair versus putting it into your hand, because it's a little runny. But guys, look at the latte. I love the latte, guys.
No, I don't want to waste what's left.
You feel like your camera gets foggy. Camera gets foggy. Okay guys, so this is my hair after washing out the shampoo. I definitely give it a 10 out of 10, guys, cause when I tell you this ish latter, and like I just use an empty bottle, so don't think, okay? This thing latters so well, guys, and I always love shampoos that latter. No more stores for me for my shampoo. I'm always gonna be making my own shampoo. I love the way it makes my hair feel. I kind of don't like the scent, so next time I probably use some orange essential oil or stuff like that to kind of kill the scent. If you don't mind the scent of black soap, that's fine. You'll love it. Yeah guys, so until my next video, one love.
Through the wastelands, through the highway.